I'm going to teach you how to twist. Okay, let's go straight up. Okay, once you want to start, you have to do the steps. And then you have to wind your waist. And then go like this. Go. Let me first show it. I'm doing like this. Down. And then I'm going like this. Your footwork, I think in my last video I showed you guys how to put the leg. So this time it's all about the waist. Okay, let me start still. Let me know in the comment if you want to know how, if you want me to show you again how to do the footwork. For now, let's just wind your waist, like Upa Ula. You see? Should I show you guys how to do the zigzag as well? Again, in my last video, I have showed you guys how to do the zigzag, but I can show you again from the waist. Footwork is important, but you're doing everything from here.